The GL often contains only collective postings, a collection of all AR/AP. In such cases, the posting data represented in subledgers pass on their data in compressed form to the GL. Reconciliation accounts connect the subledgers to the GL in real time. This means that as soon as a posting is made to a subledger, the posting to the respective reconciliation account in the GL takes place. Accounts payable or AP records all business transactions relating to suppliers. It takes much of its data from the procure-to-pay business process. Accounts receivable or AR records transactions and manages accounting data of all customers. It takes much of its data from the order-to-cash business process. Asset accounting or AA deals with both current assets and non-current assets, that is, fixed assets. Bank ledger or FI-BL supports the booking of cash flows. The GL is managed at the company code level and used to compile the balance sheet and the profit and loss or P&L statement. The material goods of a company are listed in the balance sheet and are divided into assets and liabilities. The business transactions that are entered in the subledgers, materials management, and the treasury flow into the balance sheet in real time. The component, treasury or TR, focuses on functions such as payment means, treasury management, including financial means, foreign exchange, derivatives, and bonds, loans, and market risk management.
The aim of recording business transactions is to create a balance sheet and P&L statement report. This report must meet specific national requirements. You can set up different balance sheet and P&L structures to meet reporting requirements of your country. These structures define which accounts should appear in which balance sheet items.
In GL accounting, one ledger has the role of a leading ledger. However, as in older releases, you can still manage accounts in parallel using additional accounts.
FI is intended for legal reporting. It can be used to draw up a balance sheet and an income statement at the level of accounting entities. The purpose of management accounting is to collect revenue and expenses by areas of responsibility to be used for internal management reporting purposes.
The characteristics of a company code are as follows. International Accounting Standards or IAS distinguishes between business and geographical segments as follows. A segment is an organizational unit. In general ledger accounting, segments are used as a dimension for reporting purposes. A business segment represents a sub-activity of a company that involves the manufacture of a product or provision of a service with risks and revenues that differ from those of other business segments. A geographical segment provides information about risks and revenues that differ from other geographical segments in terms of economic or political factors.
A controlling area represents a separate unit of cost accounting. The controlling area identifies a self-contained organizational structure for which costs and revenues can be managed and allocated. You can assign one or more company codes to a controlling area. This enables you to carry out cross-company code cost accounting between the assigned company codes. However, this is only possible if the assigned company codes and the controlling area use the same operating chart of accounts and fiscal calendar year.
Each GL is set up according to a chart of accounts. The chart of accounts contains the definitions of all GL accounts. The definitions consist of the account number, the account name, and the type of GL account, such as profit and loss or P&L account or a balance sheet account.
A chart of accounts can be used by multiple company codes so that the general ledgers of these company codes have an identical structure. The two segments of the GL Master Record are as follows. Chart of Accounts segment. The Chart of Accounts segment contains a description of the account, an indication as to whether the account is a balance sheet account or a P&L account, the account group that controls the company code segment fields, and the consolidation account number. Company code segment. The company code segment contains values specific to how the company code will manage that account. The following controls are found in the company code segment: account control, account management, bank or financial details, joint ventures, interest calculation, document control.
Account groups classify GL accounts into user-defined segments and also determine the number range of the accounts that will fall into these user-defined segments. You determine the field status of the company code segment of the master record when you create, change, or display the company code segment. The field status options are suppress, required, display, and optional.
A reconciliation account ensures real-time integration of a subledger account with the GL. The reconciliation between subledger and GL is always guaranteed because the GL reconciliation account is not enabled for direct posting. In the GL, postings are limited to reconciliation account types only.
The posting screen is divided into the following areas. Work templates. Work templates allow you to select screen variants, account assignment templates, or held documents as references. A held document is a document that a user saves without posting, with the intention to complete and post it later. To return to the original line layout of the GL document entry table, right-click the screen and choose Reset Screen Variant. Header data. Header data applies to the entire document and includes the posting date and document type. Some of the header data may be for displayed only or hidden from the user using editing options. Line item information. Users enter line items for the document in this area. Information area. This area displays the debit and credit totals of the document. Each document line item contains one posting key. A posting key controls the following for each document line item: account type to be posted, type of posting, that is debit or credit. Fields of the line item may have or require an entry.
The balance display is an overview of the saved transaction figures of an account. You can drill down from the balance to a list of line items that make up the balance. The purpose of the balance display and the line item display is to display account data. The line item display is only possible for GL accounts for which the line item display has been activated in the master record. From this line item list, you can drill down from the line item to the document containing this line item. To see the complete FI document, choose Document Overview. If there is a real document for this SAP ERP document, and even if it was archived, you can still display the same.